When a person feels like their life had potentially been taken away or was about to be taken away, and then to get their life back, I'd say that's the highest compliment you could get. I'm Kyle Watkins. I'm a criminal defense attorney, former prosecutor. I practice in the Bell County and surrounding county areas. So as an intern at the DA's office, I tried 3 misdemeanors and 3 felonies, and then they hired me immediately when I graduated and stayed on and continued to just try a lot of cases. I was 9 months in where I had aggravated assaults where people had been severely injured, shot, stabbed, and then a lot of other cases that they start you out with in that realm where it's assault of a family member, second offender, or third or fourth or fifth offender. And so that's what you get right out of the gate. You just learn to cope and to deal and understand the law in a way that, compared to a lot of other jurisdictions, it's not nearly as thinly sparse, right? I mean, it's a true baptism by fire down there in Houston at the DA's office. And so I stayed there and gutted it out and loved it and enjoyed it and learned a tremendous amount for years. After doing all those things and developing all those skills and moving wrong after wrong after wrong and getting to the point where the last rung, the next rung is a death penalty capital murder, it was really at that point that I thought, I don't believe this is for me anymore. Everything seemed to indicate that the time to make the switch, to go pro, as some would say, was now. And so that's what I did. Went ahead and pulled the trigger back then and hadn't looked back and been loving everything about it. The best thing from a client is when they look in the eye and they tell you that you gave them their life back. And that's actually not something that I think I would have necessarily have thought about looking in the past, looking to being a criminal defense attorney, would have thought that's how people would take it, that's how they would feel, but that's the feeling that's communicated. And it's not just that they say, I got my life back, or the judge gave me my life back. They look at me and tell me that I gave them their life back, to tell a person's story and to bring that jury into that story. And they still have people in their lives that love them and that care for them and that need them to be there and need to do everything they can to help them get past this, to get beyond this in whatever shape that takes. And that strongly motivates me to dig deep and find a way to get them through this.